A very good afternoon. Today we have Mr. Pankaj Khanna, sir, Managing Director, PP Rolling Mills Manufacturing Co. Private Limited. A very good afternoon, sir.
Good
I
afternoon.
welcome you to SDGI Global
Thank
University.
you. Thank you
How
so
do
much.
you feel about being here at SDGI Global University?
Honestly speaking, it reminds me of my first day at Manipal. So, some butterflies in the tummy. But actually, I mean, besides that, a very proud moment to see this new batch is coming in and how they must be thinking, listening to people like us and how to mold our future. So, yeah, it's very, very exciting feeling for this new batch. Absolutely.
So, what message would you like to give to our students?
Like I said in this talk, hold on to your roots, think big, build relationships, find your Junoon. I think these are three, four very strong words which are going to really build the future of the children, provided they can imbibe all of this.
So, how do you feel universities like SDGI in shaping the future?
I think it's a fantastic job that that the Indian government allowed private universities to open because there's only a limit of so much that the government can spend and do, and their reach is also limited. So I think it's fabulous to have such fantastic universities. I mean, like again coming up and giving more students an opportunity uh, to live their dream, to get educated, find their future, dabble in things. And see, like I said, undergrad programs are always the kindergarten of this world. It's a stepping stone in the world. So I think again, besides the coursework and other things, you learn a lot more. So I evolved in my university. I was a pipsqueak, in school. So I think each to their own. But I think that this is great to have private universities of this nature and standard, and I think it's a great thing for our country.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.